Actually, last one on the Transel Dynamite 150, all wrapped up with her covers on. Kind of pretty in the dark, right? So anyway, gonna put a little light on her. One driving two, does about 150 watts. There it is with the cover on. The one driving two tubes. Basic amp, a little bit turbocharged, tetrode mode, but not like full bore out. Just basics, power on, transmit standby, AM SSB, fuse on the front, tune cap, variable, and it's too dark. There's a little hole with access to the small trimmer load cap on the side there, and then the driver tune and load are internal, and that's just it. You know, a basic amplifier, and got her all wrapped up, and just doing this quick video before we put her in the closet and say goodbye to the Dynamite. So on the dummy load, audio, 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 doing about 100 RMS, about 175 peak. And with this amp, the longer you hold it, it kind of creeps up a little bit if you hold it very long. 1 6LQ6 driving 2 6LQ6 tubes, and I put some good Sylvanias in there, and made by Transel, the same people who make the Nitro 300. I think it's a Magnum 600, Firecracker 50, and I see one on Facebook. I forgot the name of it, but it's a 500 on Facebook. And you know, they all look similar with the lights and the switches, and you know, a lot of lights, a lot of switches on them. Transel, they make decent stuff, but it's not a workhorse like a you know, Palomar 300A or you know, the D+As. But they do what they're supposed to do. I don't like the tubes mounted on the board, and also don't like that the tubes are, you know, mounted horizontally. But other than that, I do, you know, like the amp all the way around, like the looks of it. Nice little driver. Anyway, that's gonna be it for the Transel Dynamite 150. Bye.